A lot of people think you can walk into your bank and ask for shares.
Yes, but that is not how it works. Today, I will show you the truth about how banks and shares really connect and how you can start owning parts of the big companies you love. Have you ever wondered if your bank can actually give you shares? Like, can First Bank, Access or Zenith just hand you MTN or Dangote shares? If you ask me, let's talk about it. First, let's make it simple. Alright, so what are shares or stock? A share means a small portion of a company that you own. If you buy MTN shares, it means you own a tiny pieces of MTN, and when the company makes profit, they share that profit with you. That is called dividend. And stock, what is stock? Stock is a general term for ownership in one or more companies. So when people say I invest in stock, they mean they own investments, they own a share for different companies like MTN, Dangote, Access Bank, etc. You can also sell your shares later when the price goes up and make more money. That is called capital gain. So it's simply owning parts of a business and getting paid for it. So here is the truth. Banks do have shares. Yes, you can buy Access Bank or First Bank shares. But no, banks don't just give shares to customers. You can't walk into the branch and say, I want to buy 100 Access Bank shares. That is not how it works. So now, how does it really work? To buy shares, you need to either have a licensed stockbroker or an investment app. Some banks even have their own stock broking arms like FBN Quest for First Bank, Access Securities for Access Bank, Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers for Stanbic. So these are the official investment sites of the bank. That is where you can buy your real company shares safely. Now let's talk about the safe app you can try. If you want to do it yourself from your phone, there are some trusted apps like Trove, Shaka, Bamboo, High Invest. Now, how do you open this app? You go to your Play Store or your App Store. You search for Trove or Shaka. You download the app and sign up, and then you add the information for security. Then you fund your wallet using your normal bank app. You search for the company you want, like MTN Nigeria, and click buy. That is it. Once you buy, your shares shows inside your portfolio, and then you start earning whenever the company pays you dividend. So you can also start small, even with 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira. You don't have to be a millionaire to own MTN or bank shares. So here is a simple explanation. Let's think of it like this. When you buy shares, you are becoming a part owner of that company. So if you own MTN shares, every time they make profits, you get your own share of it too, through dividend. So next time someone says bank don't give shares, tell them the truth. You buy shares, you earn dividend, and you grow wealth with time. Don't let your money just sit, let it work for you. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like, comment I am ready to invest, and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you in the next video.